If your PC is too weak for most Android emulators, and you're tired of lag, freezing, and slow performance, then this video is exactly what you need. Because today, I'm going to show you how to download and install one of the best Android emulators right now, BlueStacks. And the best part is, it can run surprisingly well even on low-end PCs, if you use the right settings. So, make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'll also show you the best performance settings to make BlueStacks faster and smoother. Before downloading BlueStacks, make sure your PC is connected to a stable internet connection. This is important because BlueStacks downloads additional files during installation, and if your internet disconnects, the installation may fail or become corrupted. So once your internet is ready, open Google Chrome or any browser you prefer. Now in the search bar, type BlueStacks Download and press Enter. Once the search results load, click on the first link, which should be the official BlueStacks website. Now we are on the BlueStacks homepage. As you can see, the website shows different games, features, and performance highlights. BlueStacks is designed to let you run Android apps and games directly on your Windows PC. It also includes useful features like keyboard controls, multi-instance support, performance optimization, and app syncing. Now click on the Download BlueStacks button to start downloading the installer. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes, so just wait for the download to finish completely. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Here is the BlueStacks installer. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. This helps prevent permission problems during installation. Now the setup window will appear. For most users, it's best to leave everything at the default settings. However, if your main drive is low on storage, you can change the installation directory to another drive. Now click on Agree and Install. At this point, BlueStacks will begin downloading and installing additional files. This process may take some time, depending on your internet speed and your PC performance. The reason it takes time is because BlueStacks is installing Android system components, graphics files, and optimization packages needed to run apps properly. So be patient and let it finish completely. Once the installation is complete, BlueStacks will launch automatically. And this is the BlueStacks home screen. As you can see, it looks very similar to an Android tablet interface. From here, you can install apps, play games, access the Play Store, and customize performance settings. Now before installing apps, let's optimize BlueStacks for better performance. Click on the Settings icon. Then go to the Performance section. Here, you can adjust CPU cores, RAM allocation, and performance mode. Now this part is very important. If your PC is low-end, do not allocate too much RAM. For example, if your PC has 4 GB RAM, using around 2 GB for BlueStacks is usually enough. Giving the emulator too much RAM can actually slow down your entire system. Next, set the performance mode to High Performance. This helps improve smoothness and overall emulator speed. Now click on Save Changes. When the pop-up appears, click Restart Now to apply the new settings. After restarting, BlueStacks should feel faster and much more responsive. Now let's install an app. Open the Play Store. To continue, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. You can sign in with an existing account or create a new one. Once signed in, you can install apps and games, just like on a real Android phone. Type the game name in the search bar, then click Install. Depending on your internet speed, the game may take a few minutes to download. Once installed, you can launch it directly from the BlueStacks home screen. And that's it! You have successfully downloaded and installed BlueStacks on your Windows PC. Now you can run Android apps and games directly on your computer without needing a phone. And remember, if you have a low-end PC, using optimized settings can make a huge difference in performance. If you want, I can also make a full video showing the best BlueStacks settings for low-end PCs to reduce lag, boost FPS, and improve gaming performance. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next one.